What is up, everybody? We're back again. It's Christmas time. Got my little festive.
Today, Junior.
What is up, everybody? We're back again. It's Christmas time. A little festive here. Got my shirt, little package. You know, staying nice and toasty.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
What is up? How are y'all doing? Let's go grab the deck of cards real quick. Come on with me. Check out all these decks of cards I got. This bag down here is a gold foil cards my dad got me from Dubai. And I just got a whole bunch. I like getting the decks of cards. But we're going to use that pink pack there on the right side. We got my favorite deck here, alright? It's this pink one. It's just so, like, I don't know, it's so sleek, it's so smooth. I feel like I can just move it around real easy. Plus, it looks real cool. I don't know. I never get to use this one, so this is going to be fun. I think this is actually the first time using it, or maybe I practiced with it a couple times because the cards were already mixed up, but not too well. So today, we're going to be learning a life lesson today, okay? Expect the unexpected. Let me tell you a little story here. You got the deck of cards, little amateur magician here, okay? You're like, hey, yo, Big T in the back, pick a card. And he's like, hey, yo, that one. All right, cool, thanks. All right, that's your card, okay? We put it here. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. Little amateur.
Today, Junior.
Amateur magician here doing your little shuffle, okay? Mixing the junk up for the peoples. Bam, you're like, that's good, whatever, let's move along. He's like, nah, hold on. I didn't get it mixed up. Takes that deck from you real quick. He does his little stupid thing. I don't know, man. Some people just got like personal vendetta against you. They hate magic or something. I don't know what's up with some people, man. But be ready for whatever, okay? This camera angle sucks, but I got nowhere else to put it. But alright, so the thing with this now, we have like some cards like this. We have like some cards like this. There's a few like this, you know what I'm saying? So I took it from him, like, fine, whatever, jerk. Let me show you what I got here. So I took it, shook that junk up real quick for him, and was like, check it, boy. What's that right there? Boom. Flicked him in the head with it and moved on with my life like a boss. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'll check you guys next time. Hasta luego.